our tour people. They're riding for about 1,700 pesos each. And the two of us, we pay 7,000 pesos total, right?
Oh.
Right?
Huh?
So 7,000 pesos for two really is only twice as much. We get our own boat.
Let's get out now.
Coron. That's where we're at. We paid 7,000 pesos for this boat ride. And these tours are about 1,700 per person. But I'll get you better numbers. And this is our boat. I can get on here. Alrighty, we're going to the end. Oh. Yeah, I didn't think that made sense. And we're off. And we're off. And we're off. Alright, we ordered Ben's mask, snorkels, and the poor guy had to go all the way back up to get them. 450 pesos. Here we go. He ran all the way back up there. It took him about 5 minutes, but he was running the whole time. Alrighty, he pull starts it. It's not a Honda and it's not a flathead. I don't even know what that is. 2 cylinders? Diesel?
Yeah.
Diesel motor.
Excuse me, sir.
Go ahead. And we are off. We spent 1,800 on food. That's oh man, that's about $30, $28. You could do that. Awesome. We went up there yesterday, or almost. About killed me. I swear. I'm getting too old for 750 stairs. And we got a hammock.
Our destination is 2,400, and then for the boat 3,500, and then kayak 1,500. So total all 7,400.
7,400 for the boat for the whole trip. There we go. There's your cost. So they charge you what? It's about 2,000 a person, 1,700, depending on what you do. But on a tour, they supply the food though. They supply the food, but you're not going to get to eat what we get to eat. So really, 2 people would be 3,400 pesos, and I only spent 7,000. Then I spent 1,700 on food, and I even got the food for them too, because I'm a nice guy. I know you can't hear me, but we made it. Supposedly you can hear, but you can't. This is nice as that lake I had to walk 50 million stairs. Okay, I didn't see that one. And look how clear the water is. And I think I've got my finger over the hole. This is it. Check it out. Very beautiful. And I got some good pictures of girls. You aren't gonna believe this. For 50 pesos, she's gonna send her guide. Oh, is that ours?
Is that ours? I think so.
That's ours?
No, sir.
Huh?
Hindi.
Oh, well, I'll come with you. Give me 2 more minutes.
She will come with you, sir.
And we got a very pretty vendor. Smile.
Ah.
Just a second. I want everybody to see this is where we came in. We swam in. I don't know how the canoe got here. Somebody must have brought it. And this is it.
Bangus.
Yeah,
Yeah, bangus.
her fish.
Yeah. The grill.
They're cooking it up. Wait, oh, there. They're cooking it up. Here we are, waiting. And I'm going to sit down. Now, my red snapper and my pork. That's where they cook it. Right there, it's amazing it doesn't fall off.